If you want to create a good relationship with your tenants, you need to start that from the outset. And I don't just mean when you're signing up the lease with them. It needs to start way before that, when they make that initial call to the company to arrange to see the property. Treat them with respect. You should be handling that phone call like it's a potential investor. Be accommodating with them in terms of showing them the property. When you're meeting them at the open for inspection, talk to them, chat to them, be friendly and professional. When we meet a tenant to sign the lease, we do take the time with them to run through the clauses of the lease agreement and just explain things if they're unsure. And also we like to give them a welcome gift for the property, and we find that really helps. That sets the tenancy off to a really good standard, and I have to say, it does help to ensure a smooth, free tenancy after that. At least every couple of months, as just a general courtesy call. At the end of the day, I think tenants usually contact the real estate agent if they've got a maintenance request. So a lot of the time it is negative when you're having to speak to them, or if they're in arrears, etc. I think if you make a courtesy call to them once every couple of months, I think that would be amazing. I'm not sure how many property managers actually have the time to do that, but if you can facilitate a process in your office to manage that, that would be a great step. We sort of, I guess, get around that a little bit by sending them a newsletter every month. So at least we're keeping in touch with them in a gentle way without actually picking up the phone, but that is definitely something that we should be doing. You really need to treat a tenant as if they are a potential client or a potential investor. They are very important to your business, and you don't know at what point they might buy an investment property and be looking for an agent to give the management to. We're about to embark on an incentive to our tenants, and also a value-added service where we're introducing a mortgage broker to our tenants just to help create that relationship, because at the end of the day, we have found that a lot of tenants have been buying property, whether it's for investment or to move into. So we think that that's something we can offer tenants as just something a bit extra. I think as well, at the end of the day, when you have a tenant that has contacted you, for example, about a maintenance request, just write back and say that you've received the email, because they may not understand. It takes some time to issue the work order and then have the tradesman contact the tenant. Just let them know, keep up the communication. That goes a long way with tenants. They really do appreciate that.